Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. For today's lesson, the resources you need is English Book 2, Class 2, Chapter 3, Lecture 3, The Cow. By the end of the lesson, the student will be able to identify and pronounce with reasonable accuracy two common consonant clusters in initial positions. Unit 3, The Cow. Please open your textbook on page number 19 for the class task. Word study. Write 3 words that begin with bl. Cluster sounds or digraphs. When 2 letters combine to make one sound, they are called cluster sounds or digraphs. So write 3 words that begin with the sound bl. Bl, black, comma, bl, blue, blank. Write 3 words that begin with br. Brown, bread, break. You can make words of your own also, but for a class task, black, blue, blank, brown, bread, break. The initial sounds are similar. Now let's do some practice on the workbook page of the same unit. Reading and writing. Read the lines with your friends loudly, then pick out the rhyming words and write below. The skills are reading and writing. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant air, the pleasant light of day. Wanders का मतलब होता है घूमना. Stray मतलब रुकना. Pleasant यानी खूबसूरत या हसीन. Light यानी रोशनी. So the task says find the rhyming words. वो अल्फाज जिनकी ending आवाज एक जैसी है. There, air, stray, day. और आपने यहाँ पे लाइन पे इनको लिखना है. There, air. Here and there भी सेम है. आप वो लिखना चाहें तो वो लिख सकते हैं. Stray and day. For the home task, you have a summer back page 21. Find the word which begins with bl. Which of the following words start with br? Find the word which begins with br. And then there is an activity which says with the help of the dictionary, find the words which begin with bl and br. आप किसी बड़े की हेल्प भी ले सकते हैं, वरना आप डिक्शनरी खोल के bl और br से बनने वाले अल्फाज को इन लाइंस में आपने खुद से लिखना है. ये आपका होम टास्क है. अपना होमवर्क करना मत भूलिएगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम आने से पहले अपने इस यूनिट को रीड करके उसमें आपने आज का जो कॉन्सेप्ट सीखा है, क्लस्टर कॉन्सोनेंट्स, bl और br के वर्ड्स को आपने सर्कल करना है. Until then, take care of yourself and your family. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.